Today, we're gonna take you to a geological wonderland with its unique, otherworldly landscape that will wow your souls. Gerandigini Ella or Garandi Ella in Kalugala is our destination. You can see the surroundings of the winding ways leading to the cascades filled with lush tropical landscapes. We can reach this place by traveling about 60 kilometers from Kandy towards Mahiyanganaya. We are heading towards the upper part of the waterfall. The total height of the waterfall from the top is about 200 to 240 meters, which cascades into a number of segments. Grandeur and the grace of the falls is highlighted with the greenery. For a nature admirer, this place is ideal to be visited. This waterfall is difficult to hike since it consists of several vertical segments. Roaring curtains cascade in the lush interior. Pure majesty of nature can be experienced if you visit this natural wonder of the hill capital.